Hey guys, and welcome back to another Girl Talk Get Ready With Me video. I'm super cozy this morning. It's like almost afternoon at this point. It's 10:46. I've been editing all morning. We've just had, a pretty productive morning so far. But I wanted to get ready with you guys and check in. I love these videos. I think they're one of my favorites to film just because I can like organically talk about whatever is like on my mind, and I'm not showing you any revolutionary makeup products or anything new or any new techniques. These are meant just to like have fun, sit down and chill. I like putting videos like this like on in the background while I'm like doing my own makeup, or I don't know, having coffee or folding laundry, whatever it is. Let me know how you guys watch these videos. I think it's fun to know. But yeah, I'm just gonna talk a little bit about what's been going on and get ready for the day. But first, I want to tell you what I got going on as my prep, my skincare. This is the Glow Recipe Pineapple C Bright Serum. I've been using this for quite a while. Like you can see, I only have a little bit left. I really like this underneath makeup. If you're like new to vitamin C, oh, I was like, what the heck is that noise? Winnie just like kicked the table. If you're new to vitamin C, this is a really good starter vitamin C. I wouldn't recommend this if you have like insane dark spots, but if you're just trying to like overall like a brighter, more luminous complexion, I really like this. And it goes, the serum consistency is really nice under foundation. And then I just have my same Youth to the People kale, spinach, green tea, hyaluronic acid face moisturizer on underneath, and that, or on top of that, and then some Murad eye cream. So that is it for skincare, keeping it simple. And if I wasn't wearing my Cosmetic CC cream, which already has SPF in it, I would put an SPF on it. And my favorite is the Ulta MD. I don't know, I got it from a dermatologist actually, and I love it. It's kind of tinted, but anywho. We're going in with some makeup today. This headband I have on right now, because I don't know if I'll get any questions, I think it's super cute, is like a makeup eraser headband, but if I can, they're like metal. If I can link it down below or something similar to, I will. And then my shirt is so cute. It's cropped. But I got this from Princess Polly, so I will leave that listed down below for you guys as well. It's like a waffly knit kind of cropped thing situation. So yeah, everything will be listed down below. I also always get colors or questions on my nail color, and I've been rocking this nail color so hard this year. Normally my winter color is always Essie Wicked, which again, love. It's the same sort of like dark finish, but this one's that one's like a red, like maroon sort of thing. This one is like a dark blue. So Style Cartel by Essie. It's super old. I love it, but it's always listed down below because I get a lot of questions about it. So if you're looking for like a really good like midnight blue, like almost black, but then you look close and you're like, ooh, that's really pretty blue, Style Cartel by Essie. Going in with my Benefit Professional. I wanted to kind of update you guys on the week that I've been having. It is now Thursday. I filmed a Girl Talk Get Ready With Me yesterday, but something happened to my camera. I don't know what went wrong, but basically the file got corrupted. So I'm going on my Benefit Professional. Did I say that already? Probably. Everything will be listed down below if I forget to tell you guys what I'm using. So it has been one heck of a week. I just uploaded a vlog featuring some of my week because it's been crazy, you guys. Okay. Let me also get a little wet raggy thing. Ooh, maybe I can. So on Monday, I'm like getting ready to film. It's like 11 o'clock or something like that. A little before or a little after 11. I get a call from Arla's daycare and she's like, hey, like, I just wanted to let you know I really need you to come pick up Arlo because he's thrown up twice this morning and it's not like a normal throw up and blah, blah, blah. They were worried about him and I was like, oh my God, I don't know. When it's your kid, you just don't know. Go to my CC cream. I don't know, you just can never be too safe, right? So I was like crying on my way to go pick him up from daycare because it was like that moment when I just was like, oh my God, all I want to do is call my mom. All I want to freaking do is call my mom and tell her and like have her tell me it's gonna be okay, and like I'm not gonna get emotional. I also filmed one of these like a week ago or something and I cried like halfway through it, so I'm talking about my mom, so that's never gonna be seen. Not like it just, yeah, it just didn't go well. Like I ruined all my makeup, but I think it's healthy and I need to like accept like opening up, just putting a little bit of oil in my CC cream, opening up about my mom to you guys, because I don't know, I feel like it's healthy talking about it, and this whole thing is supposed to be like a process of going through it and grieving, and I think I just need to talk about it as well. I'm thinking about going to see a grief counselor to kind of like give me tips and tricks on how to process it and get through it, because honestly guys, still it doesn't feel real. But anyways, yeah, I had a moment where I really just wanted to call my mom when Arlo was sick and I was picking him up from daycare, because we just like never had anything like that happen. So it was hard. So anyways, I pick him up, I go into daycare, and he is literally like in the middle room. Like there's like classrooms on the side, but then there's this big giant middle room, and he is in a high chair, like surrounded by towels with his water sippy cup. And I like walk in and he's like all smiley and all like happy, and I'm like, okay, they're a little dramatic, but anyways. And then I go to like pick him up and he just like really bad, throws up everywhere. I'd given him oatmeal with mango, chia seeds, flax seeds, hemp seeds, but he always eats that, so I didn't, it was nothing new, so I was like, I don't know. And so yeah, it was just like really hard to watch, because throwing up is terrible, and like watching your poor little helpless baby like everything, you know, it wasn't just like a spit up like reaction, it was like, you know, actually he was using all of his energy to like get out whatever he had in there. But it was weird because we didn't know what it was. He didn't eat anything, like I said, new that he doesn't normally eat. I don't know, it was really confusing. But anyways, we got him home. He was throwing up like for every 5 minutes for like 2 hours. It was pretty rough. The pediatrician said to just, we called into the pediatrician. She said just like monitor him. Obviously he stopped throwing up around 12:30-ish, and yeah, so that was good. She was like, give him a little bit of Pedialyte, don't let him like chug down a bottle, and don't give him any solids for a little while. So we followed all those instructions and he started doing really well. So we just like literally spent the entire day. It was supposed to be a really big filming day for me, because I'm trying to prep videos for when we're gone for Christmas. So you guys still have something going on. But honestly, we just spent the entire day like snuggling in bed. We watched, I've been kind of obsessed. I don't think it's even for Arlo. Arlo does not care about TV at all, you guys, like at all. But I really love Baby Boss. I'm such a nerd. So I've been watching that, and I like force him to watch it like one episode like on a Monday around like a morning that we're just chilling together. And so we literally stayed in bed, watched Baby Boss, and watched like Christmas with the Cranks, and just really just snuggled. He slept on and off like most of the day, and then by the end of the day he was fine. So I don't know what it was. It was so bizarre. It must have been some sort of food reaction, but he didn't have anything new, and I had just made that oatmeal like the night before, so it's just so strange. But needless to say, he's not eating oatmeal right now because he's a little sensitive to it, but he's doing really well, eating, everything is normal again. So just one of those weird scares that you just don't know what the heck happened, but you just are like, okay, it is what it is, you know? But you feel really, really helpless when you're in it and you're a parent and you just like don't know what to do. But yeah, that was kind of my moment, and I shared that in my vlog in the sense of like just like breaking down and wanting my mom. And like I said, I think I'm gonna try to share those things with you guys. And I want to say thank you so much for opening up to me about anyone who's lost their parent and things like that. It's just never going to be an easy thing. It's never going to be, you know, I don't know. It's just never going to go away, you know? So I just have to like talk about it and face it head on and whatnot. But anyhow, that has been my week so far. And we are headed to, today's Thursday, we're headed to New York on Saturday. And I know, listen, I completely get, I don't want to get into it in terms of like COVID and everything that's going on. By the way, I live in a super small town in New York. Again, it doesn't matter, I'm not the city, but super small town in New York, and I have not seen my family for Christmas in over 7 years. 7 years. I don't even know if I've seen my entire family when I was home last time in 7 years. Retail and all that, traveling, whatever it is, like it just, last Christmas was the first Christmas since I was probably 17 that I didn't work for the holidays. Now, mind you, it's different because a lot of people who are in retail live still in their hometown, so they could still like see family for Christmas and stuff like that because they have it off. I never could because I couldn't go home to New York for one day and then be back the day after Christmas and the day before Christmas, you know? So last Christmas was the first time that I didn't work for Christmas, and we spent it with Scott's family and my mom. And this Christmas, like, I was like, you know, had Arlo, and I was like, you know, I'm gonna go spend Christmas with my dad and my brother and my family. And then especially with everything that's happened to my mom, it's like even more important to just take that time to, you know, I don't know. So I understand the severity of COVID and all of that, I totally do. But I also know how short life is, and you know, my family doesn't have any real pre-diagnosed, conceived, whatever, you know what I mean? Not a huge, they're not in that upper bracket of susceptibility. And so, you know, again, to each his own. I'm not telling you what to do or what not to do, but I also, you know, have to make decisions for myself and for my family, and that's a decision that we made. So for me, it's really important to see my family for Christmas, especially with everything that's happened this year. So yeah, that's that. So we head up to New York on Saturday and we're spending the week there. We're not doing anything crazy. We're literally just gonna chill. We might actually go up to Niagara Falls or Letchworth because my dad lives around Letchworth. But it's all outdoors and we won't really see anybody, so we'll see. I might vlog a little bit while I'm there, but I'm pretty much just gonna enjoy, like, you know, family time and whatnot. So that's why I wanted to pre-film some videos and get them up for you guys, so I don't get out of the routine and you guys still get some videos from me. So yeah, I hope you guys have been enjoying the more consistent uploads, and I've really been enjoying it. And then I also want to say thank you so much for the love and support on my birth vlog, or my birth story. I literally thought by posting that I was going to get so much hate just because it was not like in Hawaii on someone's, you know, banana grove, like meditating to the moon and things like, sorry. You know, I would have loved to do that, don't get me wrong. Like, if that was yours, like, I'm jealous. But mine was a very normal but also chaotic sort of birth vlog or birth story. So I appreciate all the love and support on that, you guys. And then some other like mommy sort of videos that I plan on doing in the future are going to be my breastfeeding story. So I'm going to do that probably in the new year. And then because I want to kind of gather my thoughts and everything about that and things that I did that I wish I did different and things that did work and why I ultimately failed at breastfeeding. That's kind of where I'm gonna talk about. And then I want to do Arlo's like 9-month must-haves, and then like newborn must-haves, but also like just in the preface of like minimal, because we're not a huge like need everything sort of family. We were very like minimal. Obviously I did not have a baby shower because it was the middle of COVID when I gave birth, so I didn't have a baby shower. I mean, we had a registry and everything, but we just didn't get a ton, and we just went very minimal in terms of like, I didn't want a bunch of crap everywhere. Obviously he has toys and stuff, but a lot of them were hand-me-downs and things like that, and I totally believe in that. A lot of his clothes that he wears to daycare are hand-me-downs from Scott's brother and sister-in-law. So yeah, like I want to share with you like what really worked, what you do need, or what worked for us anyways, and what did not work for us and things like that. Obviously everything is different, but I did a ton of research in terms of watching these sort of videos before. Makeup's not going anywhere. Before I purchased anything, because I really just didn't want to purchase stuff just for the sake of it, because I really do feel like the baby industry like takes advantage of families and like praise praise on people's just like wanting to be the best sort of parent, and it's just like, I don't know, it's kind of crazy. So that's my thoughts on the whole baby industry and whatnot. And so I can share that with you. So that newborn 9-month must-haves, my breastfeeding story, and I really wanted to do a day in the life sort of video with Arlo as well.